2008 Goodman 13 SEER air conditioner, first start of 2024. Probably gonna wait a little bit longer before I fire these two up. That compressor does not sound happy at all. These units will be 16 years old this year. Hard to believe it. And unfortunately I left my my temperature gun back at my apartment, so there's no way of me measuring the temperature gun to the suction line or the air that emits from this unit for the time being, but other than the angry compressor sound, it seems to be working pretty good. Gabby! Gabby!
It's all nice and cold. Probably gonna leave it running for like another half hour, then I'll shut it off. And it's also gonna get rather chilly this coming week, so the stat's probably gonna be flipped back over to heat. It's been running for about 8 minutes now. Yeah, it's gonna be it for this one. Thanks for watching.